Oh, why? Okay, we have the instruction manual. And here it is. Oh, all metal. Take a look at this beauty. We're gonna see details later. We have the remote control, aux cable. We're gonna take 360-degree with my beautiful turntable. And take a look at this beauty. It's art. It's compact. It's all metal with that big knob for volume and power on. Okay, on the top we have this big knob for volume up and down. Also it has a switch for powering the Bluetooth or the device. At front we have the infrared receiver, USB audio, aux connector and on-off. That means that this thing is for mute or for Bluetooth on and off. And this is the main switch. And from behind we have these 4 beautiful gold connectors for connecting the right and left speaker. In the middle we have the DC input jack. It says 9 to 24 volts. Let's turn on. We have a blue LED light. Did you hear that? Let's connect to the smartphone. Too many Bluetooth devices, and here it is. HIFI pairing. Okay, connected. Also in the package you will get these small pads that you can place it below the amplifier. Okay, the remote control and the aux cable. Because of the copyright I need to use free music that is from YouTube library, and let's play. Mute. Yes, the remote control is working. Play. Well, pause. Play. Previous track. Next track. Beautiful. Volume. Also works. Please, in the comments below, tell me about the sound. I want to hear from you how it sounds, how you can hear it. This is the Maximum. It says is HT20 plus BMP 280 2-in-1 temperature, humidity, air pressure module, high precision digital temperature and air pressure sensor module. Where is it? Oh, it's here. It's a compact low-power electronic sensor module that combines a high-precision HT20 sensor for temperature and humidity and BMP 280 sensor for barometric pressure. And now it's time to try it. Powering in 3, 2, 1. Unit sensors. And take a look at that. It says weather. Because it's two-color screen, the OLED. It's nice. So beautiful. The temperature 19 degrees. Little cold in my studio. Humidity 62%. Pressure 937 hectopascals. And altitude is 650 meters. This is a great weather station that you can build it using this module ESP and the sensor. The links will be in description below so you can check it, maybe buy it and make your own weather station just like this. Also the code will be in description below so you can check it. I will share it for free, of course. Okay. And take a look. When I make a refresh, I can read the temperature, the humidity, the pressure and the altitude. On my smartphone I can monitor. Beautiful. And no bubbles. Okay. Be calm. Oh, many stuff in the package. Okay. Short USB Type-C cable for charging. What is this? Instruction manual and two self-adhesive pieces so you can attach this thing to whatever surface you want. Okay, let's power up. And this is the first mode. Flashing blue, red, green. And now it's on auto, I think. We have this. The second one is police lights, blue and red. This is flashing all the LEDs at the same time for every 2 seconds. This is rotating LEDs, also flashing but with the same speed. And what is this? Different patterns for blinking, different modes. Beautiful. USB doctor or USB wattmeter. I'm gonna see with how many milliamperes is charging this thing. And also we have a red light, meaning charging 400 milliamperes. Tight! Oh, I think I did it. Ooh. 3.7 volts, 350 milliamperes, 1.295 watt hours. Oh, bubbles? No, why? It should come with bubbles. And the package is little beaten up. Okay. Okay. Charging cable. Instruction manual. No. Oh, I hate these things. What it says in specifications. LED power display, strong magnetic, suitable for a variety of scenes, built-in polymer lithium battery, 500 milliamperes. I'm gonna check that. 7 modes: white strong light, white weak light, yellow strong, red light. Oh, okay. Extra features: keychain, bottle opener. Okay, we know that. Turn it on. Ooh, it's pretty bright. This is high, this is low, I think. Ooh, this is high yellow, low yellow, or warm white, and we have the red one. Beautiful. And one press more, it blinks the red. It's like a warning light, which is nice feature. One more time, turning off. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why it says 7? Should I hold it? Yes! When you hold, the white and the yellow both are turned on and you have a super bright. And let's plug in. And also we have a 4 LED voltage indicator, and it's pulling 670 milliamperes. And the low is 2.3 watts. The red one is almost 1 watt. And when it blinks, how much is that? Oh, around 0.1 watt. And when you hold for both of them, oh, it pulls more than 2 amperes. Let's increase it. Take a look. 2.7, 2.8, 2.8 amperes, 11 watts when are both LED chips turned on, and the warm and the white. Ooh, very gently. Kaboom! This gadget that I found on Aliexpress, it's pretty cool. And why and what is it? It's a LED rechargeable flashlight camping lantern 5 modes. Super bright portable hanging tent lamp. Waterproof hiking, fishing, outdoor. No bubbles. The instruction manual. I don't need it. And of course tiny bubbles. But they don't pop. Oh. What is this? Power on. In 3, 2, 1. Oh. 360 in every direction. This is high, medium, low, and turning off. And when you hold the button, it will activate the front white light. This is high, low, and turning off. And in the middle, the LED filament is warm light. Beautiful. And it's pretty bright. And you can hang on trees. You can put on your belt. It have a clip. And on this side we have the Type-C charging port. It says that is splash waterproof. I like that word. And this thing goes right here, okay, like a hat, and it will be a lantern. Take a look. And what it says, 2.2 watts, 450 milliamperes. Is that healthy? Oh, I got feeling like I'm removing the nuclear reactor very carefully and gently. And take a look at those LED filaments. Ooh. And it says it's 500 milliamperes, 1.85 watt hours. Working, yes. It's beautiful flashlight, rechargeable, with couple of modes of light, and I love it because of the LED filaments and the warm light.